Hi guys, yes, I've been sacked. Well, I'm self-employed, so I can't be sacked, can I? So what it is, I lost a house because I've been scratching the sills. I've wrecked the sills in the house. I'll tell you how I did it. I've been using a brush like this. Nothing wrong with the brush, brilliant. Very good brushes these. It's the Evo Light one. Can't remember who it was from now, Facelift I think. But, what happens when you try and do the sills, see where we are, is this edge here will touch the sill and scratch it, and that's what I've been doing with this particular brush, because it's not a sill brush. I'll show you an example of a sill brush. There's a Reach It one, constructor brush. It's got the edge on it. I'll show you that there. You see that contacts the sills, so it doesn't contact the underneath edge, whereas this one will on the upper sills, you see. Other examples, I've got a constructor brush here. It's not a sill brush. I don't think Reach It have brought a sill brush out actually, but what I've done is put a couple of these things on, little clips, which come from Wagtail actually, and what they've got on there, as you can see them there, they tend to slot on the bottom of the brush really nicely. And something else from Wagtail, these little thin little strips here, that just slots on there and it stops it from scratching, you see, which is a brilliant idea. Another example of sill brush, this is a very old one. This, I don't really use it anymore because the bristles are all gone, but that's see how that works as well. That's not going to scratch because it's a sill brush. What happens is, instead of the actual brush stock contacting the sill, these bristles do, and they clean it at the same time, which is brilliant. But the way to get away with it, you could always get some good glue like this. This is the one I use, and it is really waterproof. It says it on the packet anyway. And you could always, if you don't want to get a sill brush, that is, glue a strip of Velcro on here, and then put a little bit of cloth or something that'll stick with the Velcro. Even with Velcro on there, it'll help. So there you go. So you don't want any scratch sills like me. So that's it. So I only lost the one, but it's taught me a lesson, I suppose. I don't know everything. So anyway, if you want to get on with that, just be aware that you can scratch the sills. You know, you probably know that already anyway. But anyway, for now, job done.